Yes.
Gona mundu witagwo Christine Maina. In fact, erauga atiri captains of industries. Not parties.
Yes.
Captains of industries. Industries ya Kenya.
Yes.
Hae mwiretu ureto Christine Maina niwe CEO
Yes.
wa Venture Capitalization. Arauga mwekera VAT on financial services. Tonisho irekirwo, it will hamper the growth of the financial industry. Hae mundu ureto KEPSA director. KEPSA ne Kenya Private Sector Organization. Director. Arauga the additional operation cost will make business less profitable. Hae mundu ureto Maxwell Okero, CEO at Chamber of Commerce. Arauga the proposed rate of 2.5% on tagarina do is extremely punitive. Ndaba mga juzi gona mundu utuire Kenya as a manufacturer, the leading manufacturer. Eta go Vimarsha. Augete now it is becoming hard to continue doing business in Kenya. He'd rather go to Tanzania or Uganda because the taxes have become punitive. Tacho kadra nejeda kuyakirira kuri ndo mana koroho tira kole kituralia maudu totoria nini ani matoho. Hemu dulirathire kuona etagwo Jimu Ajege anateithia thirikari nyingi muno. Anakorwo kuhende ya Gibaki, anakorwo kuhende ya Uhuru. Na ndiramuria tondu anakorwo ku thirikari ni ciothe ri. Ni ndi mwanake munini. Tajira niki kirenderea na taxes ici. Arajirize the taxes ici ni indo cia nyumureka atia? Indo cia nyumuratu. These are no longer taxes. Example. Ajira itumi Muikuyu athire mutitu. Athire mutitu wa number 1 kuigata muthugu nundu wa kindu gitagwo tiri. Na number 2 yari kindu gitagwo heart tax. Wanyina during independent agukaitu ni mari kindu gitagwo heart tax. Atika itega bono gaku ukagutha guthirwo ukero uri he ni ndo ikara ku na ni gwaku ukagutha guthirwo ukero ko ani ho twarorio. Tororio gweneke. The moment wajia go tax properties. Taxes magoti mafati ukoro incomes and earnings. Wanyita bidio ariho kana iyo rathukuma but not on properties. Toru twahigura kwajia go tax property toru twajia na ngari rutu kwajia go tax all the properties. Nole gura aginya thimu ino ukero o mweri uneka atia nole mirihagira. The moment wajia go tax ngari 2.5. Number 1 umenye tutana go tax ngari. Insurance ya gari ni rabete kongerero. Are you together? Ni rabete kongerero. Ako na gari ni we. Most of the Kenyans ginya le mali haga insurance ya gari. Matihota akuri hashi hamwe. Adosho